Yeah, driver's side, I scratched the diff on that one.
Yeah, Don, I think we should go up on that and then turn right.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I got fucking cut me in my leg. Give me 1 second.
Main trail is way to the right back on. Trying to turn anywhere along here. Thinking about making the right trail.
I'm gonna go walk up this over here on the left and see if we can't do that.
Todd, we're not on a trail, period.
Yeah, we are. There's green dots as you come along. You'll see them.
On the Onyx map, we're in the middle of the road. We're not on a green trail. We're not on a blue trail. We're not on any trail. Justin and I are having... Stock is stuck on its belly.
Yeah.
We got high standards.
He's identifying as a turtle right now. So this is green. Yeah, this is badass up here. We all can do this. Hell yeah, this is totally doable.
We are definitely turtling it right now.
Gonna push him.
I think Jeff and other Justin got it.
Y'all good?
We're waiting for the other Jeep to come down.
So you want to get your passenger tire on top of this rock right here? Keep it straight. Come on. Pull forward. You're good. You're going to be going slow anyways. You're about to come up right now. And there you go. You're good. On it. Just keep going straight. You're good. Yep, passenger, yep, driver a little bit. There you go. Come on straight. Yep, you're good. Nice and slow.
Always. Yeah, that's weird. Hey, Dale. I think she's thinking different.
The one in, this one here? One in front?
It's coming from the top. Yeah.
She just had that cover tightened up, man.
Did they refill it?
Yeah, I'm sure they did. Cause
Yeah, they put too much because it's shooting out from the top.
okay, yeah, she had hit it and dented the bottom of it and had to have it fixed.
Got it, okay. Oh, she said it was the back one that you're talking about.
Oh, her front one's leaking?
Yeah.
Oh shit.